Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we will discuss the code, and so I have taken the same area as I have discussed in a merge sort lecture. So let's call the merge sort function by passing array and L is 0 and R is 8 because our end of the index is 8 because it contains the 9 element. So now let's define the merge sort here. We will define merge sort which accepting the vector of int and L and R value. So we will see if L is smaller than R or smaller than R, then only we will uh, go ahead and what we will do, we will find out the mid index, which will be L plus R minus L divided by 2, and then we will call the merge sort recursively uh, on the array uh, from L to M and merge sort from M plus 1 to R. Okay, and after these two recursive call will end, then we will merge these two array by passing the array and L M R. And also let me pass by reference. So because we make changes to this array only, we will not take any extra array. Okay, so let's define merge sort function, a merge function. So merge function will accept vector by reference and three indexes L, M and R. Okay, so we will find out the size of the first array, which will be M minus L plus 1, and the size of the second array will be R minus M. Okay, then we will define the two array, which will be left, which will be of size n1, and right, which will be of size n2. And we will copy the element from original array to the left and right for comparison. So we will run the loop from 0 to n1, and we will copy the element from original array, which will be like this. And similarly we copy the element for to right array. So right array will be array it will be plus I. I have discussed the code in the lecture video of the merge sort. So I hope you understood till here. So we have copied the element to the left and right. Now what we will do, we will try to run a while loop till I is smaller than n1 and okay. Let's define I is equals to 0, j is equals to 0 and k is equals to L. And now we will try the loop I is smaller than n1 and j is smaller than n2. Okay, and we will compare if left of I is smaller than or equals to right of j. Then we will copy the element from the left to original array. So it will be left of I, and I pointer will be incremented and k pointer will also be incremented. Else in else part, right of j is smaller, so we will copy right of j. So right of j will be assigned to array of k, then k will be incremented and j is also incremented. If any of the I and j comes to the end of the array, so loop will be terminated and we will check if I is smaller than n. It means n1 If I is smaller than n1, it means that elements are left in the n1 to copy. So we will copy left of I and we will increment I and k as well. If j is smaller than n2, then it means the elements in the right array is remaining. So we will copy array of right of j and then j plus plus and then k plus plus. Okay, now we have copied the element and now we have written down the merge function and also a merge sort. Okay, and now we will print print the elements before sorting and after sorting. And if we run the code now, then we will see uh, array before sorting is this and after sorting it has sorted. Okay, we are getting the right output.